Time. Calculating starting and finishing time. Calculation of finishing time. The golden rule is as follows. Starting time plus elapsed time equals to finished time. Did you know? 1 year equals to 365 days. 1 day equals to 24 hours. 1 hour equals to 60 minutes. 1 minute equals to 60 seconds. 1 hour equals to 3600 seconds. 1 day equals to 86,400 seconds. 1 day equals to 1,440 minutes. The time spent during an event or activity is called elapsed time. This is the time taken to complete an activity or event. In order to calculate the total time, we must add up the elapsed time to the starting time. An example would make the concept clear. Remember, time never comes back. It always moves forward. A machine can be made to work again and again, but time never looks back. Example 1. Monica started cycling at 9:30 a.m. She completed her journey after 4 hours and 12 minutes. What was the time when she finished her cycling? Solution. Starting time equals to 9:30 a.m. Finishing time equals to 9:30 a.m. plus 4 hours and 12 minutes. We know that starting time plus elapsed time is equal to finished time. First add 4 hours to 9:30 a.m. See how we take care of a.m. and p.m. 9:30 plus 4 hours equals to 9:30 a.m. plus 3 hours plus 1 hour. It is equal to 12:30 p.m. plus 1 hour, which is equal to 1:30 p.m. You may add up 4 hours in one step. Now add the minutes. 1:30 p.m. plus 12 minutes is equal to 1:42 p.m. Answer. We have added minutes to minutes. If we add minutes to minutes and the result is more than 60, say 72, then we shift 1 minute to the hours side. On the minutes side, reduce 60 from the minutes and put the balance on the minutes side. An example would make it clear. 3:58 p.m. plus 14 minutes equals to 3:72 p.m. Now, 72 is equal to 60 plus 12 as explained. So, 3:58 p.m. plus 14 minutes is equal to 4:12 p.m. Calculation of starting time. The golden rule is as follows. Finished time minus elapsed time equals to starting time. In this case, we have to subtract the elapsed time from the finishing time. We count backwards. So, we reduce or deduct hours from the finishing time. An example would make the concept clear. Example 2. Amandeep came out of the tennis court at 8:30 a.m. after playing for 3 hours and 45 minutes. At what time did he start his tennis game? Solution. We have to count backwards as follows. 8:30 a.m. minus 3 hours is equal to 5:30 a.m. 5:30 a.m. minus 45 minutes, which is equal to 4:45 a.m. Answer. The principle of AM to PM conversion applies in this case as well. Let us give an example to clarify the concept. Example 3. What is the time 9 hours before if time at this moment is 8:30 a.m.? Solution. 8:30 a.m. minus 9 hours equals to 8:30 a.m. minus 8 hours minus 1 hour, which is equal to 12:30 a.m. minus 1 hour, which is equal to 11:30 p.m. Answer. You can break up the elapsed time in whichever manner you may think appropriate. Calculation of days. Calculation of number of days is important in many questions related to time. Calculation of finishing date. An example would make the concept clear. Example 4. Deepak started painting his house on 10th March. He completed the painting task in 28 days. On which date did he complete the painting task? Solution. Starting date of painting equals to 10th March. Time taken for painting equals to 28 days. Finishing date for painting equals to question mark. We have the formula. Starting date plus duration equals to finishing date. Hence, we have to count forward from the date of starting the painting job, which is 10th March. We shall count in parts. 10th March to 31st March equals to 31 minus 10 plus 1, which is equal to 22 days. 1st April to 6th April equals to 6 minus 1 plus 1, which is equal to 6 days. So, total days equals to 22 plus 6, which is equal to 28 days. Thus, the date of finishing the painting task equals to 6th April. Hence, Deepak completed the painting task on 6th April. Calculation of starting date. The following example shows how we calculate the starting date. Example 5. Ishita came back to Delhi on 23rd September. She had spent 35 days in Goa. When did she leave for Goa? Solution. Let us count back to find out when Ishita left for Goa. Return date equals to 23rd September. Duration equals to 35 days. Leaving or starting date equals to question mark. 23rd September to 1st September equals to 23 minus 1 plus 1 equals to 23 days. 35 days minus 23 days plus 1 equals to 12 plus 1, 13 days. We have to move back by 13 days. 1st September to 20th August equals to 13 days. So, Ishita started her Goa tour on 20th August. Answer. Converting minutes to seconds. If we want to find the number of seconds in the given number of minutes, we simply multiply the number of minutes with 60. Example 6. A. Convert 5 minutes to seconds. B. Convert 8.5 minutes to seconds. Solution. A. 5 minutes equals to 5 multiplied by 60 seconds, which is equal to 300 seconds. That's our answer. B. 8.5 minutes equals to 8 minutes plus half minutes. 8 minutes equals to 8 multiplied by 60, which is equal to 480 seconds. Half minute equals to 30 seconds. So, 8.5 minutes equals to 480 plus 30, which is equal to 510 seconds. That's our answer. Converting seconds into minutes. We will be given seconds. We have to divide them by 60 to find out the number of minutes. The remainder is the leftover number of seconds that cannot be converted into minutes. Example 7. A. Convert 840 seconds into minutes. B. Convert 3412 seconds into minutes. Solution. A. 840 seconds is equal to 840 divided by 60 minutes, which is equal to 14 minutes. That's our answer. Hence, 840 seconds is equal to 14 minutes. B. 3412 seconds equals to 3412 divided by 60 seconds, which is equal to 56 minutes 52 seconds. Hence, 3412 seconds is equal to 56 minutes 52 seconds. That's our answer.